Hi, That Clean Life community. In this quick tip, we're going to show you how to use Smart Plans. Smart Plans will save you loads of time. You can set your own rules and you're off to the races. It's like your planner's own built in assistant. When creating or editing a plan, you have the option to input rules such as tags and exclude ingredients. As you input different rules, you will see that the number of recipes matching all rules will update in real time. This will give you a sense of the recipes available to you once you've applied these rules to your plan. Save your changes and notice that the Smart button is active. Start planning. You'll see when adding meals to your plan that the recipes displayed will take into consideration the rules that you've applied to your plan. At any time, you can edit the rules of your plan. This will change the recipes we display to you when adding meals within your planner. It will have no impact on any existing meals already added to your plan. Setting your SMART rules is important before sharing your plan. If you allow edits within your share permissions, your client will have the ability to edit their plan. They can change serving sizes, remove meals, add meals, make swaps, edit their list, and more. Your client will be able to select from the recipes that you've included in the plan or your collection. And if your client would like more variety, they can use the swap feature from the planner. This feature will swap the recipe out for another recipe from our database that matches your SMART rules. Swap will try to match the calorie and macronutrient distribution of the current recipe as close as possible. So, for example, if you have applied SMART Plan rules for vegan, then it will swap for vegan recipes that match those SMART rules. Thanks for tuning into this quick tip. If you have questions, send us an email to support@thatcleanlife.com. We're always here to help.